Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting the essentials ready: a modern browser or app on a desktop or phone, and a stable internet connection. 2 Mbps is a practical minimum. Once done, enable location services and grant any required permissions so the map can center and fetch tiles. Next, pick a live satellite source or app. Free versus paid affects latency and resolution, and sign in or confirm your plan. Now you're ready to open the map and start the live feed. Now configure the live view to match your goal. First, select the live or near real-time satellite layer and verify the timestamp and refresh interval so you understand latency. Then adjust overlays, toggle cloud cover, labels, infrared or NIR modes, and a coordinate grid, because these change what you can see and interpret. Use the coordinate search or panning tools to go to your area of interest, set an appropriate zoom level, and enable any smooth streaming or low latency. To finish, start the live stream and watch the timestamped imagery to confirm real-time capture. Record or take snapshots with built-in tools if you need archival frames. Make small adjustments to color, contrast, and overlays so features stand out. Enable tracking or pass alerts for moving targets. If you encounter lag, blank tiles, or frequent reconnects, first check your network and firewall, then switch servers or reduce resolution. If issues persist, restart the app. That often clears stale sessions and reconnects the live feed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.